Need to fix Fifa website not working? Then in today's video, I'm gonna show you on how you can easily fix it. First thing first, you need to head over to Chrome or wherever you are using the website and click on the three dot icon. Tap on History. From here, you have to clear all the history. Click on Delete Browsing Data. After that, you have to select All Time Data and then click on Delete Data. Sometimes clearing the history might also fix the issue. Now once again, you can head over to FIFA.com. The issue might get fixed. Once you're inside the website of FIFA, if it's not working properly, then you can reload the page. Swipe down the screen and it will reload. Once the website has been refreshed, now the next thing you can try doing is, you can open the website in incognito mode. Head over to incognito tabs and then try to open the FIFA website. After that, move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, scroll down and move into apps. Inside apps, you need to head over to Chrome. Over here, if you see the option to clear the cookies or cache, then simply click on it and clear it out. That should also fix the issue, and then you will be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.